Hello everyone, welcome to RPA Learners, and in this video we're going to see how to use get table dimensions keyword in Robocorp. And it has only one argument, which is table. You need to insert the table which you want to get the dimensions, and the dimensions here refers to the rows and columns. And if you want to get the number of rows or the number of columns that a table has, then you can use this particular keyword, or you can directly mention it as table dot rows or table dot columns. But let's see how to use this keyword in Robocorp. So let's go ahead and open Visual Studio, and if you see here, and this is our Visual Studio, and in the previous video we have seen the data table, how to read it from the CSV. Now we will see how many rows and columns this table has. If you remember, we have 3 rows and a header, right? So let's first we need to create 2 different variables in order to hold the values of the rows and columns. So let's create that. Let's call it as rows and columns. As we are mentioning it as a dimensions, we can get those values like this. And after that, we need to use get table dimensions. If you see here, it is there, and you need to provide the table, which is dt. Let's save this and let's execute this and see whether we are getting the rows and columns as we expected, right? So from this you can do some other things, like if it has this many rows, do something else, and you can use those conditions. It is completed. Let's go ahead and refresh the log file, and if you see here, get table dimensions, it says that it has 3 rows and 4 columns. If you remember, we have another column which doesn't have a header, and it has 4 different columns and 3 rows, and that's it on how to use get table dimensions keyword. And if you like this video, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.